Hey, David. A few reasons for Bitcoin's surge this week. There's an apparent short squeeze going on. You've got Fed expectations also changing, and we are seeing a narrative shift. Bitcoin is really on the global stage right now, looking like a potential protection amid war and currency devaluation. Exchanges are seeing a surge in demand out of Russia and Ukraine as local currencies there crumble. The ruble, for example, was down about 30% yesterday. Data firm Kaiko shows that currency pairs are now trading at a premium. That's often a sign of demand there. Dollar-pegged coins like Tether are also getting a bid this week. And that Eastern European demand is likely not absorbing enough Bitcoin to account for that 10% rally, but it does help the narrative around crypto as a store of value, and this tends to be a very sentiment-driven market. That store of value use case may also be spurring buying from some of the smaller individual investors. Data from Genesis and Glassnode showing a boom in wallets with less than 1,000 Bitcoin. And as Jeff Dorman of Arca tells me this morning, it's looking like an inflection point right now for digital assets. Ukraine and Russia and some of the recent protests in Canada are showing what he calls digital assets being the best protection against government and bank overreach. But he also points to some of the institutional inflows. Those tend to come in on the first day of the month. That, of course, is today. Another factor, a lot of investors have already sold. Glassnode writes this morning that top buyers, or market tourists as they're calling them, have been significantly flushed out lately. They now represent a smaller portion of the market compared to last summer when we did see another big drawdown. It's been dominated right now by some of the longer-term investors who, quote, appear to be unwilling to liquidate, even if they held those coins at a loss. Bitcoin's 60-day correlation with stocks is ticking down, but guys, a little too soon to tell if it's really decoupling as crypto bulls have been waiting for. Morgan.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.